Sizzle and Sear, cooking up your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to spice up your vocabulary with two cooking-related phrases, sizzle and sear. These terms are not only essential in the culinary world but also add flavor to everyday English conversations. So, let's cook up some new knowledge. Sizzle is a word that sounds almost like the noise it describes. Imagine the sound of something frying or cooking in a pan. That's sizzling. It's often used to describe cooking, like, the bacon sizzled in the pan. But it's also used metaphorically to describe something exciting or performing with noticeable energy. For example, the new play is really sizzling on Broadway. Now, let's turn up the heat with sear. This term typically refers to cooking meat quickly at a high temperature, so it forms a brown crust. For example, she seared the steak on both sides. Like, sizzle, sear can also be used figuratively. It can mean to make a strong, lasting impression, as in, the tragic event was seared into his memory. Both words can be used creatively in everyday language. You might hear someone say, "Her dance moves really sizzle," or, "His speech seared into my heart." Notice how these phrases add a dynamic and vivid quality to the sentences, making them more engaging and descriptive. It's easy to mix these terms up or use them incorrectly. Remember, sizzle is more about the sound and energy, while sear is about intense, quick action that leaves an impact. Don't say, sizzle the steak, when you mean, sear the steak, and vice versa. I hope this video has helped sizzle up your English vocabulary and seared some new words into your memory. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a little creative seasoning to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.